Welcome to the fourth in the series of videos on simultaneous linear equation. In this video, we're going to look into some other types which is reducible to linear equations. So here is one question. So this is a simultaneous linear equation that we need to solve. And this doesn't look familiar because you have, variable in the denominator. So what you do in such a situation is you assume that 1 by x is a and 1 by y is b, and where a and b are also variables, right? So you can rewrite, so you say let 1 by x is a and 1 by y b. So you can rewrite this equation as 7a plus 8b equal to 2 and 2a plus 13b equal to 22, right? And then we can solve for a and b. This equation we can solve for a and b. So it looks quite simple to make the coefficients of a same and eliminate. So let's do that. Let's multiply this equation by 2 and let's multiply this equation by 7. So we can cancel that out. So this becomes 14a plus 16b is 4, and 14a plus 91b is equal to 154. So now we can subtract both these equations. In fact, we can subtract, you could subtract either ways, but this equation with this, so you can either do 1 minus 2 or you can do 2 minus 1. So either ways are fine. So let's do one thing. Let's try 1 minus 2. So there's consistency. So this both gets cancelled, and 16 minus 91 is 75. B minus 75b, and that's equal to minus 150. So your b is 2, and substituting in equation 1, we already have 1 there, so let's say this is 0, equation 0, right? You have 7a plus 8b is 2, or 7a plus 8 into 2 is 2, or 7a equal to minus 14, or a equal to minus 2, right? So once you have this, then you can find out the value of x and y. So since 1 by x equal to a, that's equal to minus 2. So you can say x would be equal to 1 by minus 2, right? This implies that x equal to 1 by minus 2. Similarly, your 1 by y equal to b, so or 1 by y equal to 2, or y equal to 1 by 2, right? So that's how you can solve this. Whenever you have something in the denominator, you can make that variable as something which is a and b, something like this, and move on. So let's do one more interesting problem of different type. Let's do the next problem. So in this problem, of course, you can do using all the three methods that you have learned so far, but there's something interesting about this. So if you see the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y here, so it matches, and just that there's a minus sign, and coefficient of x here and coefficient of y here matches with a minus sign. So whenever you get a pattern like this, let's try something different. Let's see if this makes our life simple. Let's mark these equations as 1 and 2, right? And let's do 1 plus 2. What happens when we do 1 plus 2, right? So let's add them up. So if you add them up, you get 98x minus 98y equal to 98. I mean, this need not be 98. I mean, this could have been something else, but so then you can do, x minus y would be equal to 98 by 98, and that's equal to 1. So that looks a much more simpler equation, right? So this is 1 that we have. So 1 plus 2 gives us this, right? And now let's see what happens if we do 1 minus 2, right? Let's do 1 minus 2 and see what it gives us. So let's write those equations. 65x minus 33y equal to 97, and 33x minus 65y equal to 1. So as you subtract, you have 32x plus 32y equal to 98, and 96, sorry, because you're subtracting. So that's 96, right? And this implies your x plus y is 96 by 32 is 3. So this becomes your fourth equation. So you can say x plus y is equal to 3. That's your fourth equation. So now the solution for the above simultaneous equation, which is this 2, will be same as the solution for this simultaneous equation, right? Because this simultaneous equation has been derived by adding the above equations and subtracting the above equations. So solution should, will match. So now this becomes very easy to solve. So we can actually add these equations. So to solve x minus y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 3, all you need to do is to first add them up, and you get 2x, this gets cancelled, equal to 4, and x equal to 2, right? So this is one of the solutions. And you want to find y, you can find y by substituting in 4. So substituting x equal to 2 in 4, we get 2 plus y equal to 3, or y equal to 1. So that's how you can easily do it when you have this pattern of coefficient of x and y matching with a minus sign, across. So this and this, there's a match. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you could try one more problem as a homework assignment of this video. So let's see this. So here is a problem, the first one and the second one, using the patterns that you have seen above. So try to solve them yourself and see what you get. And if you have any questions, you can look at the video again. See you in the next one. Enjoy. Bye.